For over a decade, the US stock market has dominated global investing. Powered by tech giants, strong economic growth, and massive investor confidence, indexes like the S&P 500 have consistently outperformed most international markets. But now, something interesting is happening. The tide may be starting to turn, and global markets could be setting up to outperform the US in the years ahead. So what's changing? First, valuations. US stocks are simply expensive right now compared to the rest of the world. After years of strong gains, many American companies, especially in the tech sector, are trading at high price to earnings ratios. Meanwhile, markets in regions like Europe, Asia, and emerging economies are still relatively undervalued. Historically, when valuation gaps get this wide, capital tends to rotate toward cheaper markets over time. Second, the global economic cycle is shifting. While the US economy has been resilient, growth is expected to moderate. At the same time, countries like India and China are entering new phases of economic expansion, driven by infrastructure, manufacturing, and rising consumer demand. Emerging markets, in particular, tend to outperform during periods of global recovery and dollar weakness. And that brings us to another key factor, the US dollar. A strong dollar has historically hurt international investments for US-based investors. But if the dollar begins to weaken, which often happens when US interest rates peak, then foreign assets become more attractive. This currency shift alone can significantly boost returns in global markets. Another major driver is diversification. For years, many investors have been heavily concentrated in US stocks, especially a handful of mega-cap tech companies. But concentration risk is real. If those companies slow down or face regulatory challenges, portfolios that lack global exposure could underperform. Investing internationally spreads risk across different economies, industries, and political systems. So if you've been heavily invested in US stocks, now might be the time to explore what the rest of the world has to offer. Because the next big winners in the market might not come from where you've been looking, but from where you haven't.